Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Honey Badger Pet in Grow Garden game of Roblox BCB event update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is a new pet from this latest update, and if you want to get the pet, you can go to the Honey shop and you're going to scroll down and you will find the Honey Badger. Okay, this one guys, and let's view the ability of this Honey Badger. Okay, it can occasionally consume a fruit with honey glazed or pollinated, then either spread it to other plants or restores hunger to another pet in your garden. Okay, it can restore your pet hunger, or it can spread the honey glazed mutation and pollinated mutation. So if you want to use this pet, I think you need another pet like BZB, I mean B, to have the pollinated mutation and also the honey glazed. And yeah, that's it. It's not really OP, but it's not that bad. So yeah. And okay guys, that's all about the Honey Badger Pet in Grow Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.